Good morning, student. This is class 7 civics lesson number 2 part 2nd. As in the previous we have already discussed about Vidhan Sabha. Now here we are going to discuss in part 2nd about Vidhan Parishad, that is also called as Legislative Council or Upper House. So it is that ki in previous one you know it ki they are elected by the common people, but here they are not elected by common people, they are elected by MLAs. So if I'll talk about state executive, it is divided into two parts: nominal executive, the real executive. Nominal executive means ki we are working under governor. Governor is the chief executive head who is appointed by the president for 5-year term, whereas real executive is the council of ministers appointed by a CM. As if I'll discuss about the powers of, so it is executive power, they are appointed by CM, they have to work appoint the council of ministers and higher officials they have to appoint. Legislative council is also there, which is working for session of legislative work, nominated for MLA or MLC, address legislature, extent of bill and dissolve assembly. These are the five discretionary, then financial, judicial. These five are the powers and functions. In this chapter we will discuss about council of ministers, also relation with the amendment with council of ministers with CM and state administration. So our first topic you can see here, it's given ki power is divided into two parts: nominal executive and real executive. So governor is the real executive who is headed by chief minister. He is nominal by. Then governor is called executive head. He has all the executive power, but he has to adopt parliamentary governments in states. All these powers are actual practices exerted by councils of ministers. Now appointment, basically he is appointed by president, and president make his appointment by the recommendation of prime minister. As they told कि this appointment is very important, which is recommended by prime minister. So some qualifications are very necessary, like he should be a citizen of India, वो 35 years का हो, not must be below 35 years से कम का नहीं होना चाहिए. He must member of either of union or state legislation का एक member ज़रूर होना चाहिए. बट ही हैज़ टू रिज़ाइन एनी लिस्ट, अगर वो कहीं और लेजिस्लेशन में इससे पहले भी है इन द ऑफिस ऑफ गवर्नर, उसको वहाँ पे रिज़ाइन देना होगा, इसका मतलब जॉब छोड़ना होगा. एज ही मस्ट नॉट होल्ड एनी ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, किसी प्रॉपर्टी का कोई प्रॉफिट फर्स्ट ना हो, जैसे मैंने बताया कि 2 गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स ना हो. देन टर्म ऑफ ऑफिस इट्स फॉर 5 years term to pledge, and this pledge is given by president by terminating earlier. So it is told कि president advise कर सकते हैं prime minister को that the appointment or the removal can be taken on the basis of political consideration. This is a box, you have to do it by yourself. Then power and functions of the governor. Governor is the position holder, as he is technically the same as the president work in the center. अगर center में president है तो state में हमारा governor है. So they told कि he has to advise the chief minister as well as council of ministers to control or to give their discretionary power, means random powers, to agents to the center of the people that they can judge any state. Like governor का work क्या होता है? He is the head of the state. Then द एजेंट ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो होता है, एक तरीके एजेंट होते हैं. अब इनके बहुत सारे फंक्शन, जैसे कि पहला एग्जीक्यूटिव फंक्शन है, ही इज़ द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु इज़ गिविंग द अपॉइंटमेंट टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर्स. ही इज़ एक्सरसाइज बाय गवर्नर, वो गवर्नर ने इनको अपॉइंट किया है. एज ही इज़ द लीडर ऑफ द मेजॉरिटी पीपल. गवर्नर वो बंदा बनता है जो मेजॉरिटी से जीतता है, रूलिंग पार्टी का. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल आर इन द फेवर ऑफ दैट सिंगल पार्टी. ही हैज़ टू एश्योर दैट ही और शी और who or which they provide a stable government. उन्हें proper stable government चाहिए होती है. They told कि political parties or they appoint chief ministers to ask them that the majority of the house is within 10 or degree. पूरे 10 या एक वीक के अंदर उन्हें कंप्लीट करना होता है. देन काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. मिनिस्टर्स की जो काउंसिल होती है, मीन्स व्हेन मेनी मिनिस्टर्स कंबाइन टुगेदर दे फॉर्म अ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. सो दे टोल्ड कि गवर्नर उनको एडमिनिस्टर करता है, उसको ओथ लिया था ऑफिस में. उसके बाद सारी सेरेमनीज करने के बाद वो कहता है, उनको सारे पोर्टफोलियोज दिए जाते हैं, जो उनके राइट्स दिए जाते हैं. देन गवर्नर हैज़ टू से इन देयर रिस्पेक्ट. उसके बाद उनके गवर्नर उनके बारे में कुछ नहीं कहता है. ठीक है. देन दे टोल्ड कि हाई ऑफिशियल्स आर ऑल्सो देयर who have taken their names as they made his name, or like advocate general of the state, chairman or member of the state. In this manner many public commissions are also there which are appointing judges to the Supreme Court. Then the second power is legislative power. Then it is told कि governor जो होता है, he is adjourning the person for a period of more than 6 months, बट ही कैन नॉट पास बिटवीन 2 सेशंस ऑफ द लेजिस्लेशन. वो 2 लेजिस्लेशन का सेशन पास नहीं कर सकता है. ही टोल्ड कि एक मेंबर ज़रूर होना चाहिए उसमें एंग्लो पार्टी का. ही सेट कि ही दे शुड बी अ नॉमिनेशन ऑफ अ सिंगल पर्सन इन दैट. ही इज़ नॉट अ एडुकेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन बट ही इज़ टू बी देयर. लाइक द पावर इज दैट कि दे हैव टू द मेंबर शुड बी 1/6 of the state legislature in upper house. That means MLAs should be there as they have to work on literature, science, art, etc. Then legislature of the government is telling कि this is the first session कि पहला सेशन होता है जो गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट करता है, गवर्नमेंट गवर्नर असेस करता है. एज दे टोल्ड कि आफ्टर द पॉलिसी स्टेटमेंट दिट इज फॉर्म देन दे टोल्ड कि एक बिल का फॉर्मेशन होता है जिसमें वो गवर्नर को प्रेजेंट किया जाता है और गवर्नर अपना एक्शंस लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एक्सेंट में पहली बात उसको एक्ट बनाते हैं, देन उसके लिए पूरा कंसर्न देते हैं. देन दे सेड कि हमें इस प्रेसिडेंट की कंसिडरेशन की ज़रूरत है तो वो बिल को रिजर्व कर देते हैं. आफ्टर दैट लेजिस्लेचर उसको जो फिर से प्रोवाइड करके मनी बिल बनाता है. और legislation second time we used to work as a governor and always control our assent to it. Then next is promote ordinance. As you know कि new session will not be started, so they told कि ऐसा कोई भी law बनेगा जो गवर्नमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा हो, वो इफेक्ट इमिडिएटली आए. दे सेट कि स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर जो है वो रिसेंबल करा जाए और अप्रूव कराने के लिए परमानेंट लॉज बनाने चाहिए. As they told the governor at that time is advised by council of ministers, and he told that the partner or the coalition ministry, that means combined ministry, should do break up and lose the confidence vote the judge. If in case it is not ready, people are not ready to follow, so it can be dissolved also. Then next, financial powers. There are many financial powers which were introduced at that time. They make an annual budget also. Then they used to dispose it towards the state constituency and ask them to give their expenditures for the same, though those requirement they have given. Then financial judges who is done. Then judicial powers are also there. They have to give any punishment or make a law like death sentence, not for death sentence but other type of crimes. So they told they have to promote it to the district judge. District judge will promote it to high court. After that, the president at the time will be appointed as the judge for the high court. Then discretionary powers. There are many powers which are in their hands. So we have to find which one is right and which is wrong by the council of ministers. पता लगाना होगा. Powers based of individual judgment. इंसान अपना खुद का जजमेंट करता. Ordinance means the governor is a president who is not in the house of. मतलब वो बंदा जो सेशन के पास सेशन का एक मेंबर ना हो. उनके अब मैटर्स क्या होते हैं. Firstly कि they have to get maximum majority to select its chief minister. That means a stable government firstly they want. Then the ministry power or the council of ministers should have lost of confidence. That means they have to gain the confidence that people should be ready to follow them and have councils of ministers to dissolve the assembly if required. Then president of the governor run according to the provision of constitution. जो constitution कहता है वो उसी को follow करता है क्योंकि president जो होता है वो state का rule होता है. Then they told if they refuse it to pay the bill or to send the bill, then they have to just send back to the state legislature. Even a reserve bill is also there for exiled people. Now council of ministers are there in a state. They advise the governor that the state who is in the constitution had should give their real powers and counsel to the ministers. Now there are many type of MLAs or MPs in the state from which we are discussing about right now. They told that many states MLCs are there on the who is a part of the ministry or the chief minister. So they told that we have to appoint some non-members also for the appointment for becoming MLC or MLA for 6 months from the nomination. As they told, the council of ministers have following 4 categories. First is the cabinet minister, that the most important or the senior most person of the council who is controlling all the portfolio or the important पीपल वेयर नंबर्स इज़ नॉर्मली स्मॉल. बहुत कम अमाउंट में मतलब बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिनको कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर से बनाया जाता है. उनका वर्क होता है कि सारे लोगों का पोर्टफोलियो बनाना ताकि वो अच्छे से अपना काम कर सके. उनका जो भी इनका वर्क है पोर्टफोलियो का मतलब होता है उनकी जो आइडेंटिटी वर्क है. सेकेंड इज़ मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट. मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट वर्क होता है कि वो इंडिपेंडेंटली अपना चार्ज को ले और उसके बाद उस पोर्टफोलियो को इन ऑर्डिनरी पीपल के सामने मीटिंग्स के थ्रू अटेंड करवाएं. नॉट इन द मीनिंग ऑफ द कैबिनेट. उन्हें कॉमन पीपल की बातें देखनी, ना कि कैबिनेट्स में मीटिंग हेल्ड करनी है. थर्ड इज डिप्टी मिनिस्टर, दैट इज दे आर नॉट होल्डिंग एनी चार्ज ऑफ एनी पोर्टफोलियो, ओनली दे आर अटैच्ड विद द कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर. देयर वर्क इज टू असाइन द मिनिस्टर्स इन चार्ज फॉर द डिपार्टमेंट. द नेक्स्ट वर्क इज कि दे हैव टू फाइंड कि विच इज़ बेटर वन, द चार्ज ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट इज गुड बेटर और दे हैव टू डू समथिंग एल्स. they told that they are responsible for the functions of them, as the time period time period for them is basically for the pleasure of the government, that is for 5 years. They told that their ministry is responsible for their resign, as they will write that they have lost the confidence before 5 years, and that is why they are resigning it. Then relationship with council and the ministers, they told कि ordinary people जो होते हैं वो they used to realize that they are chief ministers, पास प्रोसेस वाइज बाई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जो होते हैं बहुत यूनिक तरीके से होता है, एज दे टोल्ड कि इट्स अ टर्मिनोरशिप, दैट मीन्स सारा वर्क इन्हीं के हाथों में होता है. इट्स लाइक सन जो है सबको पावर्स देता है, वैसे ही ये जो होता है ये चीफ मिनिस्टर है सबको पावर देते हैं ताकि लोगों के पास अपने खुद के डिसीजंस लेने की क्षमता आ सके, लाइक एग्जीक्यूटिव, फाइनेंशियल और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव. Now some functions are there, like formation of council minister. पैसे बनती कैसे? They are appointed by the chief minister by making a list. The governor is now approved from them. Then after that, if any person is the council of minister approve them, that governor is just for a formality. Then the government distributes its portfolio. Portfolio मतलब मैंने आपको बता चुकी उनकी जो आइडेंटिटी होती है. उसके बाद they said कि they have the efficiency to signifying the numbers and reshuffle them. That means if they are not in the state कि उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, unable to understand, तो they can shuffle them. Then next is recognition of council of ministers, that ministers are recognized from time to time, as they told कि cabinet members cannot be removed, so because they are inefficient to go, so they form a council of ministers from there only. गवर्नर एंड काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर कहता है कि गवर्नर और काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर सेम होते हैं, ओनली द वर्क इज दे हैव टू इन्फॉर्म अबाउट द डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड कंट्रीब्यूट्स और कम्युनिकेट्स देम टू form a council of ministers. Then leaders of people, actually chief minister is the head of the people. He has to look after and give the guidance to the people. The governor is saying you are a center person and you have to govern the entire state, you are the leader of that place. So they told कि the appointments in such general wise public state or public commission, they told कि they are the people who are making the theories by the governor, but the reality is कि list is given to the higher appointments for chief minister, that who is appointed and consulted to the chief minister for regarding that. Control and finance is prepared the finance bill according to the wish of the people, and chief minister introduced the same in the legislature. The chief minister is having the most important occupation, as no action can be taken without her or him. He plays a very significant role for administration and machinery. Then portfolios among the ministers. So they told that portfolio is like a reshuffling. If people are getting all the information, all the control of the cabinet, they considered that they have to assign any whole ministry, which proves that all the people are totally administering and getting changes to form revolution. So for that, chief ministers have council that have policies, decisions, and they have executed the policy states. They told that they have made the districts for primary unit, and in district they have made district courts also. For district administration, for village they have made a panchayat, as they told that backbone is at district administration. So here they used to make the law and implement for development for plans. It's the center of the place which is working on the basis of district administration. They have lower level of revolution as people are working. So they told that district administration is just giving the orders of the district to give punishment to who जो भी गवर्नमेंट के रूल नहीं बनाता, they have to get the punishment. Then taxes are levied, along with that record of tax is also there with proper people. He is a criminal, so he has to provide the civil or court law. Then yes, then they told there are many works to be done by the people, as they implement all the plans to the district people, and congress from time to time is taking place, as panchayats are also there who are checking the local bodies and discharging them. Along with that, there are deputy commissioners who is working for the judgment of the people, like many taxes are also levied. Like they told कि government is there, they have to pay many taxes or punishment to the people who disobey the orders, and along with that land related disputes are also discussed with criminal court, as the position is very important for this to pay for these two people. So they told that they have appointed district commissioners who are working from chief executives for collectorate, district judges as well as district officers. So they all do for the work for the welfare of the people as citizens. His duty is to cooperate with state officials and reach to the same height as they want to benefit. Now there is a case study. As it's a Punjab Legislative Assembly, a solution is given that they have a digging a pond by and they has banned the use of polythene. So they wanted to have burning of wheat and vegetable. So the house said that they wanted to ban polythene. At the last minute they discussed कि interjection was there कि they wanted a resolution कि ponds can be means set anywhere else and they will become more polluted if they disappear all of it. अगर हम इकट्ठा सब कुछ हटा देंगे मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी ले भी आएंगे. So they told कि we have to clean and maintain the pond. So finance minister told him that we can have duckweed infestation in the ponds. In place of that we have to clean that. So they told कि we are not taking appropriate method because they wanted कि shifting should be there because we use modern things. So village ponds become very necessary. So they told कि old ponds जो भी हैं उनको outside कर दे मतलब village के बाहर भेज दें. So they told कि अनिल जोशी said कि the government have to make a proper legislation कि check करना होगा कि जो straw है wheat stuff है वो किसी चीज़ों को ख़राब ना करे और canals के through movement हो सके. This was a case study. अनदर वन इज़ ऑल्सो देयर रिलेटेड टू बीजेपी की. उन्होंने कहा था कि कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर है, उन्होंने कहा था कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई रेन नहीं हुई है. तो दे सेड की इंटेंसिटी बहुत अच्छी है. तो उन्होंने बोला कि कन्फ्रंटेशन वी हैव टू डू विद फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड एंड एन स्पेशल सेशन. सो दे टोल्ड कि हम लोग जितनी भी क्राइसिस है प्रॉब्लम्स उनको डिस्कस करेंगे एंड वी विल फोर्स देम कि लोग सड़कों पे उतरें और प्रोटेस्ट करें. ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत अफेक्ट कर रहा था, क्राइसिस क्रिएट कर रहा था. सो दे टोल्ड कि वी हैव टू फाइट ओवर देम वाटर. हमें लड़ना पड़ेगा क्योंकि जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है वो स्टेट के जो है वो उन्होंने इस मैटर को कंट्रोल कर रखा है और जिसकी वजह से लोगों का कंजम्पशन कम हो चुका है. सो दे टोल्ड कि बीजेपी जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं उन्होंने कहा ये चार्ज दिल्ली जल बोर्ड और पावर डिपार्टमेंट को दिया जाए, इसमें हमारा कोई फास्ट इशू नहीं है, कोई नीड नहीं है. तो उन्होंने बोला कि रोज़ी ने एक पिक्चर क्रिएट करी, इसमें उन्होंने बजट और स्पीच अपनी सारी बातें कहीं. तो उन्होंने बोला कि वाटर माफिया जो है जो बीच में है उनके अगेंस्ट में हमें रोकना चाहिए ताकि मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स को लॉ के थ्रू सॉल्व किया जा सके और इस क्राइसिस को ख़त्म किया जाए. ये दो हमारे चीज़ें थी जिसको उन्होंने डिस्कस किया था. बाय दिस वी हैड रीच द चैप्टर एंड complete this. The chapter is completed. Thanks for watching. Students, be prepared for next test which is on upcoming day. Please be remember and prepare for your best. Thank you.